Do you want to know how you can log into your Moorepay Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Moorepay Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar to search for Moorepay Payroll Login. Click on the first play, which opens on your screen. After you click on that link, it will take you to this page, and if it doesn't take it to you, you can click on login, which is over here, and scroll a bit down and click on Moorepay HR login. After you click on that link, it will take you to this page, which is the official login portal of Moorepay, a zealous company. Now what you need to do is write down your username associated with your Moorepay Payroll account. After you write down your username, go to the second box and write down your password. Make sure to check your password by clicking on this button. And you can also click Remember My Username and click Yes. After that, go ahead and click Login. This way, you can successfully log into your Moorepay Payroll account. If in case you want to switch to mobile mode, click on this link. And you want to see the current system status, click on this link. Now, if in case you have forgotten your password, click on this link and it will take you to a separate page where you can write down your username, click Next, and then it will ask you your email address. After you write down your email address as well, you can send a reset link and recover your password once again. I hope this video about how you can log into your Moorepay Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.